let's make some barbecue burgers. Ooh. I got the grill hot. It's a charcoal grill. Use any grill you have. There's my burgers. I'm using some grass-fed beef, and I put a little olive oil on there, just so my Everglades rub, it's like an all-purpose seasoning, just helps it stick to it. You can use just salt and pepper or any kind of rub that you like. I just like to get the entire surface covered there. Not a lot, but just kind of cover it up. Shake, shake, shake your you-know-what. That looks good. So now I'm going to place these burgers with the seasoned side down, like that, so I can season the other side. Pretty easy. Don't need that paper plate anymore. So I'm going to season this side. And if you've never had a barbecue burger, oh my goodness, are you in for a treat? Barbecue sauce, seasoned burgers are just as good as chicken and pork. I season everything. Oh, look, I season the grill, everything. Just throw it on here. Whatever. Now you see that they're not over the fire. I'm going to put on some mesquite wood chips here. And I'm going to slap the lid on, and we're going to let this thing go for about 10 to 12 minutes. Then after 10 to 12 minutes, we're going to check them out here. Now remember, they're not over the fire, they're offset. So it's not like you put them on a fire and they're just going to burn up. It's almost like we're baking them. Man, I wish you could smell this. They smell good already. So let me see, what should we do now with these? Well, I think I gotta check them here. See if we're at at least a medium rare. Because these burgers aren't going to come out like totally red on the inside, like a rare burger. Unless you want to cook them that way, that's fine. But I think they're up to temp. They're up to the temperature I want, about 130 degrees. I'm going to give them a flip. And if you're worried about grill marks, check these out. And these are indirect. Look at that. Oh yeah. Now I'll put the lid back on just for a couple minutes, and I'm going to add some of my favorite barbecue sauce. This is some Caribbean sauce that I found. It's sweet and spicy, but you use whatever you like. Any kind of barbecue sauce, or even make your own sauce. So I'm just going to mop some of this sauce on here. Just kind of like you do chicken or pork or whatever you're making. We just want to mop it on there really good. Put the lid back on. Let the sauce kind of set up a little bit. That means it won't be quite so runny. It'll become more of a paste. Oh Lord, I wish you could smell this. You know, I got room for about 10 more burgers on that grill. I don't know what the hell I was thinking. Alright. Put the lid on there for a couple minutes. Let that sauce set up. Give them another flip so we can get the sauce on the other side. If you wonder why the burgers are kind of square, well, that's kind of how they came in the package. The packaging was square, and I just kind of took them out. It was a 1 pound package, cut them in half. Got two 1/2 pound burgers now. So I'm going to mop them with my barbecue sauce again. Oh yeah. I'm telling you, if you've never had barbecue burgers before, man, you are missing out. Woo. These are going to be awesome. Can't wait. Alright, let's put the lid back on there just for a couple more minutes. Let the sauce set on that side. If you want to cook your burgers well done, you can keep saucing them and leave them on there. But I think it's time to pull these off. We'll put them on a rack so they don't sweat. Kind of stay a little crispy. There's my barbecue burgers. Alright, I had to come in the house to build these barbecue burgers. I'm actually only going to do one right now. But anyway, I got a fancy ass pretzel bun right here. What do you think of that? Oh yeah. And I've already put some leaf lettuce down on here. Now I'm going to put one of my burgers. Whew, Lord have mercy. That looks good enough right there, doesn't it? But I think I'm going to add a little bit of red onion. And a little bit of avocado. Just because I can. Avocado is good for you. That's what my doctor tells me. Look at that. Wow. I got one more slice. Might as well put it on there also. Look at that. Now we're talking. Let me get the top on here and I'll go back outside because the weather is nice. Put this on here and stay. We'll be right back. Look at this thing. It's awesome. Time for a taste test. Hopefully it won't fall apart on me. I don't know where to start. Uh-oh, I forgot my napkin. Sorry. Man. I don't know what to say. Oh man, it's so good. That barbecue seasoning, or the seasoning I used, the Everglades seasoning, kind of had like a barbecue flavor. And then the barbecue sauce. But use whatever you like. Use your favorite seasonings or don't use any. Just use salt and pepper. I feel like I have this all over my face. Use your favorite barbecue sauce. Cook your burger off of the heat. Kind of just let it kind of bake on the grill. It'll come out tender, juicy, delicious. You cook it as, you know, how well done you want it. From rare to well done. It doesn't matter. Whatever you like. That's what you should make. And top it with whatever you like. I chose lettuce, some leaf lettuce, and some red onion and avocado. Man, it all goes together so good. This is delicious. And the pretzel bun, this is actually the first time I've ever had a pretzel bun. It's very good. That's a big burger.
I had 2 bites and I'm almost full. All right, well, I appreciate you guys stopping by and watching the Barbecue Pit Dog channel. I'm probably going to have to split this with Big Duke. I'll take Duke a bike out and you guys can check that out. And until next time, y'all take care. You want this? Want to try, bud?